Okay, let's continue with practice problem number 5. A family monthly grocery budget is 8,000 pesos. If the inflation rate is 3.5%, determine the grocery budget needed in 10 years to maintain the same purchasing power. So the present price, 8,000 pesos, inflation rate, 3.5%, and that is equivalent to 0.035. Years 10. Required grocery budget after 10 years. So future price equal to 8,000 times 1.035 raised to the 10th power. The final answer is 11,284 pesos and 80 cents. Number 6. A cell phone price at 20,000 today is expected to increase in price by 2% annually. Find its price after 3 years. So given the present price, 20,000 pesos, inflation rate 2%, or 0.02. Number of years, 3. Required price after 3 years. So future price equal to 20,000 times 1.02 raised to 3. And the final answer is 21,224 pesos and 20 cents. Number 7. A hospital charges 5,000 for a minor operation. If medical costs rise by 7% annually, find the cost after 5 years. So given present price 5,000, inflation rate is 7%, that's equivalent to 0.07, years 5. Required cost after 5 years. So future price is equal to 5,000 times 1.07 raised to the fifth power, and the final answer is 7,012 pesos and 75 cents. Number 8. The cost of electricity for a household is 3,500 per month. If electricity rates increase by 4% per year, find the cost after 7 years. So given present price 3,500, inflation rate 4% or equivalent to 0.04, years 7, required cost after 7 years. So future price is equal to 3,500 times 1.04 raised to the 7th power. And the final answer is 4,606 pesos and 25 cents. Number 9. A car's price is currently 950,000 pesos. If the inflation rate for vehicles is 5% annually, calculate its price after 4 years. So given present price 950,000 pesos, inflation rate 5%, and that's equivalent to 0.05, number of years 4. Required price after 4 years. So future price is equal to 950,000 times 1.05 raised to the fourth power. The future price is 1,154,734 pesos and 50 cents. Number 10. A loaf of bread costs 55 pesos now. If bread prices increase at 3% per year, determine the price after 12 years. So given present price 55 pesos, inflation rate 3%, which is equivalent to 0.03, number of years 12, required price after 12 years. So future price is 55 times 1.03 raised to the 12 power. And finally, the future price is 78 pesos and 42 cents. MCQ Lesson 6, determining the impact of inflation on costs over time. Number 1. Which of the following best defines inflation? Letter A decrease in the overall price level of goods and services. Letter B, a sustained increase in the general price level over time. Letter C, an increase in sales due to company profit. Letter D, a temporary drop in the cost of living. Number 2, if the price of gadget is 10,000 today and inflation is 5% per year, what is the formula to calculate its price after 3 years? Letter A, price times 1.05 times 3. Letter B, price times 1.05 raised to 3 ay minus 0.05 raised to 3. Letter C, price times 1 plus 0.05 raised to 3. Letter D, price plus 0.05 times 3. Number 3, a load of bread costs 50 pesos now. If inflation is 4% per year, which expression shows the price after 5 years? Letter A, 50 times 1 plus 0.04 raised to the fifth power. Letter B, 50 times 0.04 raised to the fifth power. Letter C, 50 times 1 minus 0.04 raised to the fifth power. Letter D, 50 times 5 times 0.04. Number 4. The formula for finding future price given inflation rate and time is A. FP is equals to present price times 1 minus inflation rate raised to n. Letter B, FP is equals to future price divided by 1 plus inflation rate raised to n. Letter C, FP is equals to present price times 1 plus inflation rate raised to n. Letter D, FP is equals to present price minus inflation rate times years. Next, number 5. If the price of rice is 40 pesos per kilo now and the inflation is 6% per year, what will be the price after 10 years? Choose the closest computation method. So, letter A, 40 times 1 plus 0.06 raised to 10. Letter B, 40 times 0.06 times 10. Letter C, 40 divided by 1 plus 0.06 raised to 10. Letter D, 40 minus 0.06 times 10. Number 6. Which of the following situations shows the effect of inflation? Letter A. Your 100 peso can buy more groceries than before. Letter B. Movie tickets prices stay the same for 5 years. Letter C. A bus fare increases from 20 pesos to 25 pesos over 2 years. Letter D. You receive a one-time cash prize. Number 7. The real value of money during inflation. A. Increases over time. B. Stays constant. Letter C. Decreases over time. Letter D. Doubles automatically. Number 8. A hospital fee is 5,000 today. With an annual inflation rate of 8%, what is the approximate cost after 2 years? Letter A, 5,000 times 1.08 raised to 2. Letter B, 5,000 times 1.08 times 2. Letter C, 5,000 plus 0.08 times 2. Letter D, 5,000 times 0.08 times 2. Number 9. Which factor is not a direct cause of inflation? Letter A, increase in production costs. Letter B, higher consumer demand. Letter C, decrease in money supply. Letter D, government spending. Number 10. A 1,200 internet plan rises in cost by 3% annually. Which formula is correct to find the price after 6 years? Letter A, 1,200 times 1 plus 0.03 raised to 6. Letter B, 1,200 times 0.03 raised to 6. Letter C, 1,200 plus 0.06 times 6. Letter D, 1,200 times 0.03 times 6. Number 11. If prices rise 5% per year, in how many years will price roughly double? Use the rule of 72. So A, 14.4 years. Letter B, 10 years. Letter C, 20 years. D, 7.2 years. Number 12, the rule of 72 formula to estimate years for prices to double is A. Years is equals to 72 times inflation rate. Letter B. Years equals to 72 divided by inflation rate. Letter C. Years equals to inflation rate divided by 72. Letter D. Years is equals to inflation rate squared divided by 2. Number 13, if a tuition fee is 15,000 pesos now and inflation is 6% per year, what will be the cost after 4 years? Letter A, 15,000 times 1.06 raised to the fourth power. Letter B, 15,000 times 0.06 times 4. Letter C, 15,000 divided by 1.06 raised to the fourth power. Letter D, 15,000 minus 0.06 times 4. Number 14. Which of the following best describes the impact of inflation on savings kept as cash? Letter A. Savings grow automatically without investment. Letter B. Savings lose purchasing power over time. Letter C. Savings gain more interest. Letter D. Savings are not affected by inflation. Number 15. A 20,000 appliance is expected to rise in price by 4% annually, which is the closest price after 5 years. Letter A, 20,000 times 1.04 raised to the fifth power. Letter B, 20,000 times 0.04 times 5. Letter C, 20,000 divided by 1.04 raised to the fifth power. Letter D, 20,000 times 5 times 0.04. The answer key for lesson 6, please proceed to lesson number 7. The answer key for lesson 5, percentage increase or decrease in various contexts is as follows. Number 1, letter B, 25%. Number 2, C, 15%. Number 3, B, new value minus original value divided by original value times 100%. Number 4, C, 10%. Number 5, A, 20,250. Number 6, C, original value times 1 minus percent decrease. Number 7, C, 20%. Number 8, C, 1,350 students. Number 9, B, how much a value has gone down compared to its original value. Number 10, D, 25%. And number 11, 26,000 pesos. Number 12C, 20%. 13A, original value is equals to new value divided by 1 plus percent increase. Number 14A, 300 pesos. Number 15, 15%. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. A smile road where curiosity meets discovery. Bye bye. See you next lesson.